أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today our topic is about the kinds of past tense. Fail mazi ki aqsam. The kinds of fail mazi are past tense. There are 7 kinds of past tense in Arabic grammar. First one is mazi mutlaq. It is the past indefinite tense. Second is mazi kareeb, mazi baid, mazi istimrari, mazi shartiya, mazi shakiya, mazi tamanna. In the beginning of lecture, I summarize all these kinds of fi'l mazi. Mazi mutlaq, all the verbs of mazi mutlaq will be according to the nasara. It means that all will come according to nasara. In mazi kareeb, such a work will be described which is recently completed. For example, we have an example وَلَقَدْ نَصَرَكُمُ اللَّهُ. Before the example, we will know mazi kareeb by qad, the word of Arabic language qad. It is used for the production of reality in the talk. In mazi kareeb, such a work will be described which is recently completed. A Quranic example of this is وَلَقَدْ نَصَرَكُمُ اللَّهُ. In this example, Allah Almighty described to that situation. It was revealed at the time of Ghazwa Uhud, the battle of Uhud. In this, Allah Almighty demonstrated toward the situation of Ghazwa Badr, the battle of Badr. In the battle of Badr, the help of Allah was come by means of angels, by means of another things. In this, Allah Almighty has described that which was recently completed. In this, Allah Almighty says that وَلَقَدْ نَصَرَكُمُ اللَّهُ. और अलबत्ता तहकीक से नसरकुम अल्लाह, अल्लाह की मदद आप सब लोगों के लिए था. Really, the help of Allah or the assistance of Allah was for all. The third kind of fi'l mazi is mazi baid, which is completed in the past time. Such a work which is completed in the past time, here that work will discuss or describe. Mazi baid will be identified by kana. Kana will show the past time. And the second identification part is abada. The second will be the verb of fi'l mazi. The second will come the sigha of mazi wahid muzakkar ghaib. Wahid muzakkar ghaib. Here the second will come mazi wahid muzakkar ghaib, and the kana will give the meaning of ta, will give the meaning of such a word which uses for the completed talk, and here the kana will give the meaning of was or were. It means that kana abada wo ibadat karte the, they were karta tha. Here the meaning of was will be used. They do the worship of Allah, or they pray the worship of Allah. The fourth kind of fi'l mazi is mazi istimrari. Mazi istimrari will show such a verb which was continued in the past time, and it will be known also by kana. Here the question arises that we will know mazi baid by kana and also mazi istimrari by kana. The difference is in the second point. Here the second part was fi'l mazi past tense, or the verb of past time, and here the second point is of fi'l muzare hal ya mustaqbil, present or future. Here the present or future present is come therefore because here the continuity of work will show, and the continuity of work in Arabic language is shown by fi'l muzare. Now example of this is kana yansuru. In this example, wo madad karta tha, he helped, wo madad karta tha. Now this is mazi istimrari. It is the past perfect continuous tense, and mazi istimrari used for past perfect continuous tense in Arabic grammar. He had been helping. The fifth kind is mazi shartiya. In this, the statement of if and then will come. It is in our daily life we people use that if you do such, then such will be occurred. Here the statement of if and then will be come. And for if, the word used in Arabic language is law, and then the answer is lam. The law is harf shart, conditional letter, and the lam is jawab shart, the answer to the conditional letter. Its example is walau sha Allahu la zahaba. Agar Allah chahta to wo le jata. If Allah Almighty wants, then He will take. Here the statement of if and then will come, and we will identify mazi shartiya in Arabic language by law and lam. Law will be harf shart, conditional letter, and lam will be answer to the conditional letter. The sixth kind is mazi shakiya. Mazi shakiya, in which suspicion has occurred, in which some doubting has occurred or suspicion occurred. We will know it in Arabic language by la'alla. It is also a nasba harf which we have described in the previous lecture. La'alla, it means that maybe or may. We will identify it in English language by may or maybe. In a Quranic example of this is la'allakum tuflihun. Shayad ke tum kamyab ho jao. Maybe you succeed. We people identified the mazi shakiya by la'alla and in English maybe. It will be might, maybe or may. A lot of letters come for this. The seventh kind of fi'l mazi is mazi tamannai optative, in which the optation or wishes has described. For example, in which the optation or wishes has described, and the optation is may you live long. May, in this optation has come, then such a sentence in which the optation or wishes has come, then the sentence, if the sentence is of past time, then it will be know that mazi tamannai, and we will know it by laida in Arabic grammar, and laida is a harf nasba which we have described in detail in previous lecture. The example of this is या लैतनी कद्दमतु लिहयाती, या लैतनी, ये काश मैं बेचता अपनी जिंदगी के लिए. Here the ya is a harf nida, an interjection word, and laita is used for the optation. ये काश मैं बेचता अपनी जिंदगी के लिए. Alas, I have sent for my life. These were the kinds of fi'l mazi, which is the most topic of detail in Arabic grammar. We have described these all in detail. Mazi mutlaq, which will come according to Nasara.